I know you saw that thumbnail, right? A loaded shrimp baked potato. Hey, it's hot in here. We're going to get this started. Let me show you guys how I do this, okay? You're going to love it. Your family going to love it. You can make a salad to go with it, something cool and refreshing on the side. Go down here, son. My potato shells, they're empty because I placed them in here in this bowl. But let me show you how I cut them. I baked them in the oven on 400. These are baked potatoes. I baked them in the oven on 400 for 1 hour, guys. Wrapped up in number 4. Toss that to the side. We cleaned up later. And you're just going to slice it down the middle like this. I cooked these almost an hour ago. Almost 2 hours ago. They still hot. Still warm to the touch. I want to take the potato. Let me scoop back. And you just want to clean it out just like this. Be very careful of the sides because just like that one just messed up, it can mess up. Get it down in there. I need a little spoon. I should got a little cereal spoon. I don't know what I was thinking. I'll be all over the place. I want to get as much of that out as I can. Clean it out. Do this with this too. Ooh, the potatoes are still hot. Hot, hot, hot. It's been 2 hours. I guess because I had them wrapped up in, ooh, Jesus. They hot. Wrapped up in the foil, guys. Make sure they're cooled down for you. Okay. Take this one, stick right here. And we're going to sit this to the side. This is my potatoes. The inside, they call it meat, flesh, whatever you want to call it. It's just potatoes like they're the inside. We'll go in about a half a cup of cheese, a yellow cheese. And remember, as much cheese as you want. Remember, your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. I'm doing mozzarella cheese. And here, guys, I'll make it taste good, guys. And I'm doing some sour cream. Can't have a baked potato without sour cream, right? Come on. These are 4 potatoes. I'm turning to 8. So that's about a half a cup of sour cream. That's all you need. We're gonna go in with some butter, about 2 tablespoons. Remember, the measurements are on the butter pack. I know exactly where to cut at without looking. Right there. Okay. We got some onion. This is not onion, this is white pepper. You use black pepper if you don't have it. I just want some white pepper up in here, guys. A little bit garlic powder. Everything is for taste. I say everything starts like 2 teaspoons of stuff, and then as you mix it, you taste it and you see how it tastes. A little bit of onion powder. Ooh, I lost the top to that. We gotta be careful with this one. That's all I'm putting in there. Okay, and then you just want to mix. Mash and mix, mash and mix. Oh, how I fit my parsley flakes. Just a little. And you just want to sit this to the side. Mash and mix. You use a masher, a big spoon like I'm using. You leave lumps, humps. It's up to you. It's your potato. Remember, you got to feel 8. Because 1 turns into 2. I did 4. So I got 8 of these to fill. I'm going to sit this to the side. Get my stove going. And I'll be right back. Guys, I got 2 tablespoons of butter melting in this pan. Right here, I have some shrimps. Again, as much shrimps as you like. But we're going to season them. I'm going to go in with some Old Bay. Remember, it's a shrimp loaded potato. Going to with my white pepper. I'm going to mix it up, guys. Some garlic powder. Take my spoon. And I'm just going to mix everything up. I'm going to go in with a little bit more Old Bay seasoning while my butter is getting hot and mix it up. It's time to go to the store. Before I do another seafood boil, need some more Old Bay. I want this to have nothing but flavor. We're going to be making a cheese sauce with this. I'm going to show you guys how to do that too. Go in with a little bit more garlic powder. I got this on a medium heat. Remember, this is also going in the oven. So it's not going to take long for shrimps to cook. But I'm going to let them do about maybe, look at that, about 2 minutes. Because remember, when they go back inside my potato, they're going to, oh, they smell so good. They haven't even cooked yet, guys. We're going to cook all these shrimps right here. When we come back, I'm going to be on the last batch of shrimps. But this is how we're going to get it started. Okay, guys, we're back. I got the first batch ready. They taste good. I ate one, yes. And the second batch is ready. I'm going to take these off. Then we're going to go in with our roux, our cheese sauce. Come over here. I'll take these off. And you don't want to wash out your pan, guys. You want to use the same pan. You leave all those juices in there. Turn your stove up on a medium high. Take another 2 sticks of butter. Let me get my knife. Got my stove on a medium high. 2 sticks of butter. There you go. All that flavor. All that flavor. Let this melt down some. It's melting real quick, a medium high with your mixture. While that's doing that, you want some heavy cream and some chicken broth. Yes, I said chicken broth. It's going to help infuse so many flavors. You wonder, why I ain't never eaten this before? Watch that. Go in with my flour. 2 tablespoons of flour. 2 tablespoons of butter. Even. While that's happening, go in with my garlic powder. About 2 tablespoons. Some Old Bay seasoning. That's about 3. Here we go with that pepper. And a little bit of this onion powder. Turn my stove down just a little. And you're going to stir this for at least about 2 minutes. Just because you want that flour taste. You don't want that flour taste all up in there. Pull it around from the sides of the thing. Like, what you doing? Yeah, this is going to get thick. And this is going to be my cheese sauce. I don't want nothing tasting like flour, guys. But now, just turn it down to a low. Go in with my heavy cream. I'm using all of it because I'm making 8 potatoes here. I'm going to stir this up. Smash down on that flour. It's like almost like making a gravy. And I'm only going to use about a half a cup of the chicken broth. I use the that's just to give it that flavor that I want. Only a half a cup of the chicken broth. It's all for flavor. And this is going to get thick. Once it starts getting thick, then I'm going to add in my cheeses. Mash down on that flour. Getting the flour up out of there, guys. This is going to be a good cheese sauce. Yes. And remember, you make your cheese sauce thin or as thick as you like it. I'm going to put that on a t-shirt. Your kitchen, your way. My kitchen, my way. Come there, t-shirt me either. At least I can crazy. Now, while that's thickening up, I'm going to go in with my half a Philadelphia cream cheese. No, but it's Aldi cream cheese. I'm going to let that sit in there while that's thickening. Let that melt along with that. And once this melt down with this sauce, I'm going to put in my other cheese and we're going to come back about a good 5 minutes while this is getting thick, guys. Break that in half. This is an 8 ounce. So this is going to be a 4 ounce because I only use half of the 8 ounce. Just like that. And just going to let it melt down with that. Add in some mozzarella cheese. Ooh. Add in some mild cheddar cheese. I'll put everything in the description below for you guys. Everything's going to be about a half a cup of cheeses. We're also going to add in some parmesan cheese. Just because I had it in the refrigerator. Woo! Not that much. There it is. And this is going to simmer down. Look at that. To my cheese sauce. Ooh, guys, we'll be back when this is nice and thick and melted. Okay, guys, we're back. Here's my cheese sauce right here. It's still lumpy. And guys, you said that's just the cream cheese in it. But the sauce is hot. You can make this as thick or as thin as you want. I like it like this. Now, you see my shrimps? I'm going to take some shrimps. I put it here. Half my shrimps. Go in here. I'm telling you, I'm making a video, dude. And I'm just squishing up my potatoes. The butter has melted up in here, the sour cream. Again, you can make them as lumpy or as not lumpy as you want. These your potatoes, you want some crunch to them, you know. And then guess what I'm about to do? Take some of this. I like a teaspoon. Not a teaspoon. This spoon right here. Yeah, she making a mess. Right there. Sit that right there. And just mix it all up in there. Tell me that's not creamy. Tell me that's not good. That's my cameraman saying yes. So, with that being said, make sure you taste everything, guys. I tasted my cheese sauce, add a little more Kraft seasoning to it, and boom. Excuse me, cameraman. Now, I'm taking my potato bowls, my potato shells. I'm gonna pick one up, and I'm gonna fill it up. I like mine kind of chunky, so I left them chunky, guys. They're gonna fill this up. Ooh, come on and sit up by itself. It needs some help. Friday night coming. You know, Friday I be cooking seafood and stuff. But this is a Wednesday. Joshua off from work. He gonna love this. He's doing the mukbang. Come on Thursday, you guys. It's sloppy, but we gonna get it done. Look. Look at that. I got 8 of them to fill. Okay, guys, we back. Look at this. They fully got the shrimps in the inside. So, take my sauce. As much as you like. They're gonna be fighting over this. Look at this. You cannot go wrong with this, people. How can you go wrong with this? Ain't nothing diet about this. So if you're gonna make this your cheat night. I'm telling you. Make this. Ooh, how that sauce just went down on there. Make this your cheat night. Then you're gonna take some extra shrimps and just stick on top. Make this your cheat night. I'm telling you, people. Shrimps on the inside, shrimps on top. Oh yeah, they standing around. This mukbang is so ready. They're standing around, guys. Top it. Yep, what she said? Some more cheese. This is messy, good. Your family go like, can you make that again? I don't even know what to say. It's gonna go in the oven until it's done. I gotta make sure it's cheese everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Then what I do, I'm gonna decorate with what? It's time to get some more parsley flakes. 350 in the oven until melted up golden brown. Bam! Ooh, I sound like Emerald. Bam! We'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are back. Look at here. Can y'all say y'all want some of this? This looks so good. Yes, so fattening, but your family will love it. Guys, come over on Thursday, watch one of my kids. Enjoy it. Like, share, subscribe, guys, and tell me your family's not gonna love this. You could do this. It is a loaded shrimp baked potato. Yes, until next video, I am out Soul Squad.